our dewberry grove is over here, and our blackberry grove is on that side of our property. So I wanted to take y'all over here and show y'all the dewberries. I asked Daryl, our friend, he said they are dewberries, but they are in the blackberry family. So this is a hill. Our gate stops back there, and this is our levee hill. And so they're growing all on the levee hill. So here they are. See, there's one right there. But look, it goes all the way up, all over the hill, all the way down, down there. Our blackberries is on the other side of our property. We showed y'all in a video our blackberry grove, and they're still green. I took the four-wheeler over there, and they are still green and have not ripened yet. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I was not planning on filming today, but we decided to go visit Susan and Daryl, and I wanted to take you along and show you their place. It is real country living. Daryl and Susan are the first friends that we made when we moved out to here to Mississippi 4 years ago. Daryl stopped at the end of our driveway to introduce himself to Leon, and he presented Leon, asked him if he wanted a 5-gallon bucket of purple whole peas, and then invited us to church. So they have been our friends, very faithful friends, will do anything in the world for you, just real country people who have a good heart. They love the Lord with all of their heart. They only live about a mile down the road from our house, and we just love them to death. So we thought we'd take y'all over there and just show you the horses and the garden, and maybe we can get some tips and some ideas because they know their stuff. Hey, little puppies. Hey, y'all. Now this is just his front yard garden. The acreage garden's in the back. And this is just one of them. Look how pretty, you guys. That's so pretty. I like those planters right there. A real pretty yard. I'm gonna take y'all back there. They have a donkey?
Yeah.
When?
Had it for a while.
Y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh, did you make this too?
Oh.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is country right here. I love it. But Daryl made this by hand. And he refurbished all of these cabinets and put them in his house. Oh wow. I love coming here. He did these floors.
This old piece of plywood here for some reason other week, and all the rest of them ain't. I don't know.
Look at all y'all's canned food.
Oh Lord.
Alright, so is this jam? Or that's salsa? Ooh, here is some black-eyed peas. I'm sure from the garden. Yeah, definitely from the garden. And blackberries. I don't have my glasses on. Grape jelly. Apple jelly. I love it. Huh, which one?
That one.
Oh, I know.
You know where you came across the highway? Right here.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
There was another house just like the one that's sitting on this side.
Uh-huh.
When I was 5 years old, my great aunt lived there.
Mm-hmm.
She was 80 years old then.
Mm-hmm. He's talking about this table right here.
Yeah. That lumber come out of her house.
That is
Yeah,
beautiful.
and this right here.
And this one right here? Oh,
That
my
lumber
goodness.
come out of her house.
That's hammer and nail.
Wow.
She was 80. Ain't
Daryl made this.
Oh girl,
What?
yeah.
That is beautiful. Where'd y'all get the church bench?
That come out of the old style church up there where they closed it down.
Oh, okay. Hey, Susan. I know you don't want to be filmed. Y'all,
Come on around.
how do you feel?
I feel all right.
Yeah,
feel
I don't
alright?
know how.
Yeah, now these, I got at EJR.
I love those. That's the ones I was talking about.
Yeah, getting that planted for I had a sober.
So these are,
Yeah, but
that's
now
concrete too. Those
Yeah.
are pretty. You got those for Mother's Day, you said?
these, these
Oh,
pots
wow.
were $45. The
That's
pots
not bad.
without the flower.
Here is another table he built for the grandbabies.
Yeah, they ain't watermelon on it.
Oh, wow.
Leave them on it all the time, just if we're not out here.
Yeah.
Here you come.
Where's the horses?
They down there in the shade.
Now, what's growing on that vine right there?
Grapes.
That's grapes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Well, these dogs don't bother the cats.
That's why he don't change.
Oh, that's
That
mule, that's female too.
Y'all, these are grapes. It's a grapevine. Isn't that beautiful?
Maybe.
Look at that one. Oh, so cute. We want another horse.
The colt.
The cold, yeah.
Hey,
But she ain't
No, I'm talking
trained.
about what, Sunshine y'all call
this is a
Yeah.
donkey. Now, what's Sunshine? Okay, so Leon's petting Sunshine.
No, that's a little bit.
Oh, that's a little bit.
This is Clover.
Hey, Clover.
She's a Jenny.
Hey, okay, Jenny. Oh, look at this.
Come here, Sunshine.
Hey,
That's all you
Clover.
need.
Hey, Clover. See, Daryl walks around him. He's not afraid, love. Like,
The little paint, little bit, she ain't gonna get much bigger.
they're just so friendly coming to say hey.
The horse flies that's been on you. Oh, Emma Catherine was on top of this hay bale and they's all up there eating all the
What are you doing, girl?
Are you serious?
What are you? Huh? You expecting something to eat?
Yeah, they think you want
They following you because they want to eat.
It ain't time, girl. Come on down here and I'm gonna show you my butterbean pants.
I want a horse like this, a small one.
No, you got
She's only 2 years old. What's her name, love? What's the 2-year-old's name?
little bit.
Little Bit. This is Little Bit.
Mr. Douglas last year.
Look,
First time
that's
they
the
ever had.
pair. Now he don't have a pair, matching pair here.
Oh, you don't have another pear tree? That's
Well,
why
I
I didn't
got
make
them
that?
old crazy pears.
Oh,
But, I mean,
that's an apple tree, you guys.
it had two apples on it last.
Hey.
But I believe it'll make some this time.
Okay. All right, y'all. We're going to see the garden, the acre gardens.
Here's where I get my fertilizer. See where they all go.
Daryl, you burning all that wood?
Yeah, that's my burn pile. I've been hauling that junk in here. Gate with my tractor.
Wow.
This is where it used to be woods all my life. Hey, see
This is the horses' stables. I love it, Daryl. Look at this. Okay, so he uses his horse manure. He mixes it with water and uses it as a fertilizer. So that is a great idea, you guys.
them is green lima butter beans.
So green lima butter beans. And you got stuff way back there, huh?
No, we ain't got nothing planted back there. We was. I'm
Yeah.
gonna put, she got some little stuff we're gonna plant here probably next week.
Well, last year you planted back there, though, didn't you?
Yes, ma'am.
It was full. Okay.
But the deer eat it.
Yeah.
The deer ate
No,
it.
we didn't even food with it this time.
So what all have you planted so far?
I got pink-eyed purple hull peas, and I got Louisiana string beans and butter beans.
Okay. It's cane poles. He said we can come get it some when we look at this cat. So cute. That we can get them for our tomato plants. Look at the cane poles and the bricks. He said we can come get bricks if we want them. And he has an antique tractor, and his Susan bought him a new tractor. How many years ago did he buy that for him? 11 years ago? Oh, okay.
They just like them.
Oh, I like those.
For half the price.
Yeah. What, love?
So you gotta haul them limbs off.
Yeah, you just cut them the other day.
Ah, there you go. You know you don't come in here.
Why do you do, okay, so why did you do this right here?
I'm experimenting.
Oh, you're experimenting?
Fertilizer.
I'm pouring my barnyard fertilizer in those.
So he's
I'm
experimenting.
experimenting.
He's got these.
You water them, it goes straight to the root.
Oh, that is awesome idea. So you pour the water in there and it goes straight to the root.
Yeah, uh-huh.
So that's what he
This is
did,
the first time
John.
I ever done this. I'm experimenting.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna work good, that.
Yeah.
So tomatoes, squash.
What we did, we dug the hole, she set the plant and the pipe in there, and I raked the dirt around both of them at the same time.
Yes, indeed. Okay, well, you got to let me know how that works.
All right.
How that turns out.
It's gonna work.
Awesome.
Well, I'll tell you how it's working. When we planted them squash,
Yeah?
Them
they
right
looked
there.
about like this right here 2 weeks ago, like that little
Oh,
leaf
you
right
serious?
Yes, ma'am. Them
So
suckers
she
is
said the
growing.
squash looked like that.
Yeah, and
And-
now that's what
wow.
they look like. Hey, they grow.
weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. I'll write that down.
All right, these are pink-eyed purple hull peas here,
Yeah.
right here. All right, and over here is the Louisiana purple pod string bean. And one or two of them is gonna die. These are Louisiana purple pod string beans. They'll be about that long.
How long? Okay, that
About
one.
that long. They'll be purple. What I'll do, I'll build a fence right here in the middle,
Okay.
and then I'll take those canes and I'll make an arch,
Right.
and they run up.
Right.
Yeah.
You feed them the Royal Oaks?
Fertilizer.
I feed
Free
mine,
fertilizer.
I feed mine 10% sweet pea.
Which I don't feed my sweet feed. No.
Yeah, yeah.
So tell me what you got in there.
I change.
Barnyard fertilizer.
in water.
Y'all, we got a fertilizer shortage and our fertilizer's going up. Here you go. Is that a 5 gallon?
55-gallon drum.
Horse poop and water.
Well, I'm halfway full of manure, then I fill it up with water.
Woo-hoo-hoo. I can.
I pour that around all my flower bushes, around Susan's flower bushes.
Yeah, there you go. Fertilizer. Free
You see how
fertilizer.
pretty and green
They are beautiful.
Oh yeah. You just mix up some soap and water.
Hey. She's shy. Susan's shy. Daryl did this by hand. Each brick, he did it by hand. He is a brick builder.
It took about 8 months to lay all this and all that up yonder.
The masonry bricklayer, builder, and he works for the fire department. What else do you do?
Garden.
Well, you've been working for the fire department for how long?
Work at the rodeo.
Works at the rodeo. He's been doing that for years. How long you been with the fire department?
How long's the fire department been there volunteer?
Probably
20 years.
Over 20 years, I
20
imagine.
years.
Oh yeah. He can build you some beds like that right there, because there's plenty of them out there.
I bet you threw that up in no time, Daryl.
No, Susan had it already built, and I came in from, and this old mortar, I had in buckets to pour out.
Right.
So I put a little water in it, and I just took my trowel and.
That's beautiful. Wait, it's not till July, right?
yeah.
Okay, well, we're about to let Susan go rest because she needs to rest and heal with her arm and everything. Daryl, thank you so much for showing us around. Garden and horses. We had such a wonderful time.
Well, I didn't know what I was going to do with it. But I'm going to get me some bedding plants and put in
Yeah.
when I get well.
Made it back home, you guys. We had a wonderful time. We sat in the living room and drank some coffee, and Bear's getting in trouble. So I just watered all of our plants, and I was just out here talking to the ladies. Leon is putting a belt on his tractor thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. Thank y'all so much for joining us today. Bye. Bye, you guys. We'll see y'all in the next video.